Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use BOOX Drop on BOOX PALMA 2 Pro for wireless file transfer. So first, open the BOOX Drop, and right here, same line, scan QR code or enter URL address. No need to sign in. And here you can sign into website. So take your other BOOX device and just scan the QR code. Remember to be signed in to the same Wi-Fi. Next, after the connection is successful, you can select and send files from the web page on a computer or from BOOX Assistant to your BOOX, or save files from BOOX to your computer or mobile. And please do not disconnect Wi-Fi, enter sleep mode, or manually disconnect when the file is in progress. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.